I mean, if you can't cook this, you are an unredeemable idiot. Plus, this takes about 5 minutes to cook. So this recipe works for impatient un-idiots. The chili oil itself dissipates the heat because capsaicin is oil soluble. Carbon molecules of sugar bond to capsaicin, so they can't bond with your taste buds or taste receptors. Scoville scale is based on the amount of sugar it takes to neutralize a substance's heat. If you eat something really spicy, drink some chocolate milk. Pussy. Try the vaguely synthetic Luke Brown pre-made half-gallon jug of chocolate milk that seems eerily fake. Double down with a healthy squirt of Hershey's syrup if you want to. Pussy. As you can probably tell, I got a D in chemistry. You can throw in a pinch of minus in there if you want to. Here's a shout out to my first hour chemistry teacher, Mrs. Gibbs.
How you like me now?
Shrimp are delicate, like a woman's feet, and they're extremely receptive to any marinade. You'll only want to marinate this for about an hour, tops. After that, the shrimp can become mealy and spongy. You definitely do not want to marinate this overnight, or even for an afternoon or a morning. Just let the shrimp go for 2 minutes per side and let it slightly boil down after the flip. Time for round 2 with the same marinade. This is extremely simple. The marinade becomes the sauce. Per usual, be careful not to overcook the shrimp. I always think to myself, stop cooking when it's undercooked. Just stop. Oh yeah, you'll still get the heat, but it's very subdued. Add a little sliced scallion to garnish.